Hello guys, what's up? Today I am going to be showing you my project that I made on the expanded form of a number. This is another part of the series called Project Showcase in Python. In this series I basically take projects that I made and I show them to you guys. In today's project, it is an expanded form file. What it does is take a number for suppose 423. It will give the expanded form of that number, so it will give 400 plus 20 plus 3. It's really easy. It's not that long, actually. It's only 25 lines, and excluding the spaces it's only 20 lines, but I will show you a quick demo. $849 seems like a nice number. Yeah, 840 plus 9. It works as it's intended to. First of all, these two lines, it asks the users for input. What this does is basically it reverses the string. So if I had written 879, it would reverse the string and it would make it 978. Now you might be wondering, why would I want to reverse the string? I will answer this later, but it's actually really convenient to reverse the string, right? Now see, the exponent, this variable is 0 and the answer is empty string for now. We will append things to it later. The thing is, actually it's not exponent, it's power, but that's the variable, so it doesn't really matter. Now for number in input, now for basically for I in the string that I inputted, rather than a string, I know that it's an integer, but I have to take a string because if it's an integer I cannot loop over it. So we just have to rely on the user that, yeah, maybe they won't write a string in it. If they do, well, the program crashes and there's nothing we can do about it. But now it converts the number into an actual string. So rather than 400 as for a string, it would take it as an integer now. Then it multiplies it by 10 raised to the exponent. Now what happens is, we took our example of 879, we flipped it to 978. So first of all, for 9 in 978, 9 is equal to integer 9. That seems makes sense. Number, which is 9, multiply equal to 10 raised to an exponent. What this does is 10 raised to exponent, which is now 0. It will multiply 9 by 10 raised to 0, which is 1. So it will give us the value of 9 as 9 into 1, 9. Then it again converts it into a string, even though it's still actually an integer, but now it's recognized as a string in Python. And then the answer, we append the number to the answer using answer plus equals to number. Then we take this and we just add a plus with spaces to it so that it's convenient to look. What this is going to do is, rather than working backwards, so 800 then 70 then 9, it will work forwards. So 9 then 70 then 800, because in a sense, does it matter in the addition in which order we do it? No, it does not matter in which order we do the addition. Now what happens is, you take the answer and you split it by the plus symbol, and then you remove the last plus symbol. So what is it basically what will happen is, we entered 879, it will reverse it 978, then it will give us the answer 9 plus 70 plus 800, and then an additional plus here. So then we split it by the pluses, and then we just remove the plus. Now since it's a list, we can use the pop method. And another thing, now I have reversed the list, so rather than 970 and 800, it's 870 and 9. Then we have a string called final answer, which is the actual answer. Now for I in answer, or for number in answer, number plus equals plus. Now what we did here is, we stripped the numbers of the pluses and then Actually, rather than the pluses, we could have done anything. We could have entered a space, we could have entered basically anything, it doesn't matter. But what it did was it allowed us to reverse the string efficiently. Now, what we have to do is we are again going to add the plus sign at the end, and then we will just append this thing, which would be either 970 or 800, to the final answer. And now what this will do is will just print final answer dot remove suffix. Now you might be wondering what remove suffix does. Here's the definition. Return a string with the given suffix string removed if present. If string ends with the suffix string that the suffix is not empty, return string. Otherwise return a copy of the original string. Yeah, you can read it. No, what this basically does is it will get rid of the additional plus at the end. If I don't use this, then it would just actually give us, if I, okay, I will show you. If I don't use this, what will happen is just it will give us additional plus at the end. So that's not what we want actually. 879, and yeah, see this additional plus here, we don't want that. Yeah, now let's walk through it again. Let's 879. Yeah, it works as intended. This was quite a short video, and yeah, that's basically it for the project. It's not that difficult to understand. It did quite require some, what do you call it, creative thinking. I don't know, it did require some creative thinking to just think about the fact that wow, we can just reverse the string rather than you, I don't know, various len methods and other things. So it's better for us to just reverse the string and reverse it again rather than doing it straightforwardly. So that required some creative thinking, but the code itself isn't that tough to understand, right? Yeah, so that is going to be the video, guys. Hope you have a good day, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you.